September 14th should look a lot different for Michelle Moore.
Greg and I got married in my parents' backyard 30 years ago today. Instead of celebrating with him, I am here alone in this world without my partner.
Greg Moore was hit and killed while finishing up a 15-mile run in Maple Valley on the morning of July 18th. The driver, arrested nearly 2 months later, is a 15-year-old girl.
She went on about her life for 7 weeks. 7 weeks of torture for my family and me. I would argue that the brutality of her crime and blatant disregard for human life warrant her being tried as an adult.
According to charging documents, the 15-year-old was turned into police by a family member, and during police interviews, another relative of the suspect told police the teen told them that they hit a guy, that they were going to try to hit him, but not too hard, but they got too close and he went over the car. Spokesperson Casey McNerthy with the King County Prosecuting Attorney's Office says the investigation didn't show proof that the girl meant to kill Moore when she allegedly hit him with her car.
Is there any scenario or possibility that a 15-year-old could be charged as an adult with a crime like this?
There is a process to go before a juvenile court judge and ask that the case go to Superior Court. Usually what judges ask about is the intent and the evidence that we have in the case so far and a juvenile's previous history. In this case, there isn't any.
But for Michelle, it's not enough.
I know I can never get Greg back, but if justice is not served, I am afraid I will never know peace.
Now, I was told by the prosecuting attorney's office that once someone is charged in juvenile court, that is where the case is going to stay unless there's new evidence brought in the case and they can bring up new charges. But they did add that they will be seeking the maximum sentence against the teen. The issue here is that according to Washington state law, juvenile court jurisdiction ends when the minor turns 21 years old. So even with the maximum sentence, she may only spend up to 6 years in a juvenile detention facility. Live in Maple Valley, Kayla Lafferty, King 5 News.